Hey everybody, welcome to Friday, and today I'm really excited because I'm going to cook with something that I tend to not cook with, really, I guess, and I don't think you guys do either, although you probably do. Oh, the chefs out there would, but it is Mrs Rogers onion flakes. Now yesterday on the live I asked you whether you wanted me to do something with Mrs Rogers onion flakes or Mrs Rogers mustard seeds. So I'm going to keep the mustard seed recipe in the back of my head and show you the onion flakes. So today we're actually making a soup mix, an onion soup mix. So you know how like you go and you buy onion soup mix?
Hey Margaret, one of our prize winners, Margaret has joined us, and I just wanted to say thank you Margaret for putting up the photos in the group. It was cool.
Very cool.
Very
so
cool.
Yeah, onion soup mix, you wouldn't think it was easy to make.
Can I be bluntly honest?
Yes.
When I heard that you had chosen that, I was like, it's not steak. But that's basically my answer in my head, not steak.
Yeah. Where's
Karina
the meat?
likes pumpkin soup and tomato soup is on. Oh, Lana's phone's running out of power.
No,
remember, Lana, you go plug it in, or you can come back later and watch it. Anyway, shall I show the soup?
Yeah. So anyway, it's soup. Now I know it's just soup, but it is actually really, really nice soup, and I want to tell you about what else you can do with
So this is in preparation for soup weather.
This is soup
weather.
weather.
This is we're getting in preparation for soup weather.
And this is something that you can make up because it does make quite a good amount, and just put it in a jar and keep it in your pantry for when you need it.
Kirsty likes.
we're falling over again.
Earthquake! Watch out! Pumpkin or mushroom from Kirsty.
Yeah, so
what the?
That's the other thing, guys. We've got a competition going today for this live only. We will draw it next Wednesday, if I remember. And just tell us what your favourite soup is. Mine would have to be pumpkin, but I always like to cook mine with coconut.
Oh, Jimmy's saying you could use it as a dip as well.
You can. Yeah. Well, see, the famous Kiwi dip.
Famous Kiwi dip.
Has onion soup in it.
There you go.
You can use this for...
okay, this is just ridiculous. I do apologise.
You're going to have to hold it.
I'm going to have to hold it.
With your hands
That's
ridiculous. So yeah, you can add it to like a little bit to cheese sauce. I always put a little bit in my mac and cheese, and the kids love it. You could use it as a seasoning on steak. You can just use it in mince, like when you're doing that dry fried mince with, sort of instead of just sprinkling beef stock, use this in. So it's a really good thing to make up in advance and have in your pantry, ready to use, ready to add flavour to that. That's something that just needs a
little bit of
something else. So yeah, don't forget to tell us what your favourite soup is. Mine's pumpkin with coconut
Sarah likes
milk.
a vegetable soup or bacon hock.
Oh, I do like that too. Yeah, because you've got to have the bacon.
You've got to have the bacon in the hock.
Got to have the bacon in it, especially with the bones. Okay, stop. Let's get on. Well, your vegetable, you could actually use this as the base of your vegetable soup and then just put vegetables in it. You could put some chicken in it. You could broil some chicken and make you could pour it over vermicelli noodles with some chicken, make like a chicken broth.
What I was thinking is that this could be like a fancy soup that you start a dinner party with. Like it is a homemade, basically homemade onion soup. People are like, oh, did you get that out of the packet? No, I actually made this myself. Yes, you could do it in that voice as well.
Own special recipe.
Own special recipe.
Isn't like, because they have like a French onion soup.
Yeah.
So, but anyway, let's get started.
This is the soup that I made. Sorry. Happy birthday for tomorrow, Alana, by the way.
Yes, happy birthday for tomorrow.
Well
We're thinking of you. We're going out just for you.
Just going to have a drink just for you.
We've got a babysitter. We're going to go out and have a drink.
Just for you.
Just to celebrate your 30th.
Well done.
Anyway. So, ingredients are really, really easy. I've got 5 tablespoons of beef stock. Now, you can choose what beef stock you want to use. It's a powdered one, and I am sieving it. You probably don't need to, but I just don't like the bumps and lumps, and it will look prettier in my jar.
Yeah.
The other beauty of this is that some soups aren't gluten-free or low in gluten. I've been thinking about it. This would have to be pretty much... I wouldn't say gluten-free because I'm not a chemist, or a
food scientist
or whatever, but it would be really, really low gluten. So
Gigi liked her nanny's homemade soups.
Oh,
she's making pumpkin soup as well.
I love pumpkin
you make
soup
a good
because pumpkins are in at the moment.
Yeah.
Anyway, so you've got 7 tablespoons, of beef stock.
Derek likes the Thai chicken. Well done, Derek.
The other things I'm putting in a tablespoon of corn flour.
That's a thickener, isn't it?
Corn flour is a thickener.
Listen to me with my knowledge.
Oh, jeez, you're learning.
Oh.
If you like your soup a little bit thicker, you can always either add more corn flour in, like, when you're making a soup, if that's what you're going to use it for. However, I'm wanting to use mine as flavouring in the kitchen as well, so I'm only putting in a tablespoon because that might muck up what else I'm cooking, etc.
We don't want ratios all out.
We don't want ratios out.
Oh,
now,
Jimmy's already got a Friday wine in hand. Jimmy.
Oh, Jimmy.
Oh, my neck.
Wow.
We're going to have to catch up. Have to catch up.
Well, we're still working.
Yeah.
So, yeah, I've got some, I can't remember how much, some onion powder and some garlic powder. That was the garlic powder that sizzled in there at the end. And I'm just sizzled.
Nice.
I'm just going to mush that. It's more the onion powder that gets really sticky. So you don't have to sieve it, guys.
I'm just going to make a comment. Now, Margaret said, since I already run a prize, I don't need another, but my favourite soup is tomato and pumpkin. Now, I just want to make a point because, all right, this is the pertinent time to make this point.
It is. Thank you for...
So, Margaret, you have as much chance as anyone else winning the prize. You could win it again, so you're absolutely in it. We do a random draw. But
we do.
Just so you know, because there is a number of people who run accounts that are purely for prizes.
Yeah.
Purely for prizes. That's all they do. All they do is that they enter prizes, and that's fine.
It's not their own personal Facebook account.
No,
they have a whole other avenue.
Yep.
It's their prize-winning account.
Now
and that's fine. There is nothing illegal
wrong with that.
or wrong.
But what we're doing is that we are checking to make sure that these people actually exist, because a lot of the profiles are fake and set up purely for that particular thing. So
we are Facebook stalking you just a little bit.
Just if you are one of the random winners, then just be aware that these are real people getting the prizes that we give away, and
so don't be
real
scared
fans.
Because we've had some people concerned about who the prizes are going to, and we don't want you to be concerned. So
yes. Well done.
It is as fair as we can.
So there you go. That was an official announcement. And Robin loves soup, but doesn't have a favourite. Come on, you've got to have a favourite, Robin.
Do you know what? Soup is soup. The only one I don't like is tomato. I'm not a fan of tomatoes, full stop. Okay. Anyway, let's get to the really exciting part. So we've had some boring stuff there. This is the flavour. No, it's not Singing Friday. Mrs Rogers Paprika. I think it's a half a teaspoon. I'm not sure. It's in the body of the thing.
Rebecca's given us permission to make sure that real people are getting our prizes. Thanks, Rebecca.
Thanks, Rebecca.
Paprika. So that's just the normal paprika, not the smoked.
That's just normal paprika.
See, I'd chuck the smoked in.
Yeah, if you wanted, I'm just doing, as I said, I'm actually using this as a flavour base to keep in my pantry. Not to make a whole pile of soup out of, so I probably will make soup. But this is just your basics. Now
Cheyenne made her first pumpkin soup last week. Well done. That's cool.
Was it nice?
It was amazing, she says. Amazing.
Awesome. Some ground black peppercorns.
Well done.
And now...
Dun, dun, dun.
These are actually really nice just to eat.
Onion flakes.
Onion flakes. It's around about 2.5 packets of onion flakes, which I know you're going...
That's a lot of onion flakes.
But you need it. It's onion soup.
Oh, Rebecca saw one of Mrs Rogers stuff at a Thermomix type stew thing.
Oh, yeah, cool.
Thank you for that random company using our products.
Yeah.
Very good of them. So
we're just mixing it up, and it smells really nice. And we don't need to be...
Expensive machines, yes.
We don't need to be too fussy
This is what we're heading towards.
Well, I'm not going to actually cook the soup.
You're not going to cook the soup this time around?
No, because all you do, I'm just going to put it in here.
Robin's favourite soup is called grape soup. And it's chilled, and they put it in bottles, and then they pour it into a glass. And it has a very wine flavour. That does count, yes. Grape soup.
Grape soup. Fortified grape soup.
Fortified grape soup is a legitimate answer, Robin. Love it.
I like your style.
Love it, love it, love it.
As long as you have cheese or something with it, I think it can be accepted.
Oh, I've genuinely got the giggles over that one. That was brilliant.
So I am probably chose the wrong funnel to do this, but I just wanted to show you.
Robin's fun.
How to do it. Now, To make the equivalent to a packet soup, it is in the instructions, but 5 tablespoons to 600 mils of...
See, this is the key. Okay, I'm going to say, again, I'm going to go off, I'm giving a little high horse, all right? So I'm not going to stop people buying packet soup. But we know exactly what we just put in the mix then.
Yeah.
There ain't no preservatives, there ain't no additives.
Well,
there probably is in
because
the
there's
beef stock
and
okay.
onion
I'll wind that
powder
back a
and
little
stuff.
bit. There ain't no things which we don't know, which we can't read about in the thing to make it easier to know what's going on.
Yeah, well, that's the thing.
That
I'm
makes
just going to
sense?
have to be careful. Because my funnel's too
void. Too
skinny.
Blocky.
Yeah, I mean, the thing is, we know what's in it, and if you want to make this with your low salt
alternative,
reduced
exactly
alternative,
right.
you can.
Or I'm going to get you to
make
make one, or I'm going to make one, sorry, not get you to make one. I'm going to make one which uses a smoked paprika.
Yeah.
Because I reckon that'd be really nice.
And that's the thing, if you like a little bit of Thai spice, you can pop that in there. If you want some cumin to just
mix it up
a bit. If you prefer more garlic.
Yeah, and Jimmy says it can be
more.
made gluten-free, like you were saying before.
Yeah.
You know, it can be, so absolutely.
Yeah, well, I would say this is gluten-free, but
it's not official.
It's not official. I use a gluten-free beef stock.
But the people who are gluten intolerant,
you would know how to cook yourself.
Yeah. And Ray likes bacon, potato, and corn. I love a bit of corn chowder. I'm with you, Ray. Love my corn chowder.
We had like a clam chowder when we went to the States, didn't we?
So
there you go. It's all ready to go. So 5 tablespoons to 600 mils of cold water, bring to the boil, will make you a decent amount of soup.
And look at that.
Or, like I've just made that
our
soup.
late lunch.
That soup, and I must admit, we did taste a little bit of it. So
nice.
it was 250 mils, because I just rounded it up. And
it's chunky and
2
good
tablespoons of
and you see that obviously it's the onion flakes have all expanded out. So
yeah, so because
like
of the warming, you're gonna.
That was nice.
And it is nice. It's a really nice thing. Again, we're looking for easy things, like yesterday with our nuts that we did, easy grab items. Honestly,
Rosemary's just joined us now. Rosemary, you can look at back at this, or check it in the group. We'll post it in the group as well.
It's just
Thank
we
you for joining
don't
us,
speak
though.
to you live as such, but we are now. So
and John has just posted a recipe for his dad's special.
Ooh,
nice.
Yum.
And Robin suggested this is a very good idea. Do like a cake in a jar thing, soup in a jar.
Yeah,
so if
you
could
do soup in a jar.
You could do that. It's a really good gift.
Absolutely.
Yep, they can just mix it up.
And I mean, you could even put it in like a little, like a soup mug bowly cup thing with
give
the
it to them.
jar in the middle and the
nice
instructions. And
sorry, Gigi, we're making you hungry. We apologise.
So yeah, anyway, I just wanted to show you how easy it is.
Yep. You don't need to go to packet soup mix. You can make your own.
You can.
You can. We're not stopping you from doing that, but you can make your own.
But by doing it this way, if you like lots of pepper, you can put the pepper in. Also really good for camping, for travelling, because you can take that. You could probably even take that on a plane.
Yeah.
I mean, you've just got to declare it depending on where you're going and stuff. But to have good thing to keep in your desk at the office or work. With Kirsty's soup splashed on it. Because you just need water to make it. So anyway, that's my easy soup mix. Actually, it's not mine. It's my mum's. Stole that one off her. Thanks,
well done.
Mum.
Thanks, Mum.
But yeah, it's
good
really
on
nice.
You, Mum.
So, yeah, make it. Now, competition's not going to be drawn until next Wednesday. So like, share, comment, invite your friends to do the same. We will be doing a draw next Wednesday.
Rosemary said she loves tomato, bacon and mozzarella soup. Ooh. Oh, that sounds nice. And then she adds the kiwi roast. Everyone's loving the kiwi roast. We know that.
We need that
year round.
Please know that we don't manufacture the stuff personally.
In the kitchen, right?
In the kitchen,
that's done in the. That's done in the.
We don't
factory.
put it in. We don't put it in the packet. So we agree with you. Yep, we're loving the kiwi roast.
But people know. Now Rebecca is asking.
Yes.
Could you use this for a dip, or is it runny? You could just
that's
what Jimmy said before.
Yeah. So just like the look on the back of your, is it on the condensed?
Sorry, can I just go to when you said we don't manufacture it? We do.
Oh yeah, no, Mrs Rogers do.
The company does. We don't.
Company does.
We don't make it here.
We don't personally make
bench.
it here like we've just made this soup.
Yeah, sorry. It is made in New Zealand from New Zealand products.
It is New Zealand owned and operated. Just personally, Ben and I don't do it. So we can agree upon the love of the kiwi roast, etc.
Exactly.
So, but yes,
so yes, a bit of reduced cream, and then you're good to go with
so yeah, off the top of my head, it's reduced cream, 1 packet. So you might have to start with 2 big tablespoons and just see how you go.
So this could just be the
vinegar.
fanciest version of that ever.
Be like lemon. You'd have to stick it in a piping bag and make it look all pretty and stuff. So yeah, absolutely, it could be a dip. It could be something that's so easy to do. I mean, yeah, you can just go to the supermarket and buy it, but how cool is it?
Yeah.
To serve
Jimmy
up
says
that?
use about 1.5 tablespoons.
1.5 tablespoons.
Of the soup mix. Yeah.
Okay,
Thanks, Jimmy.
cool.
You
Thanks,
rock.
Jimmy.
Well done.
So yeah, anyway, have a play, have some fun.
Have a good weekend.
Have a good weekend.
Join Jimmy in raising a glass of wine, which we're going to do as soon as this work in inverted commas is finished. Cheers to you.
Yeah. So yeah. It's
it?
cool.
Is that it?
That's it.
It's cool. That's
it.
how you're signing off today?
Well, it is.
It's cool.
It's
the
cool.
Hot soup.
I've
cool.
always looked at soup and I've thought, But after making it and doing it myself, I've actually have a newfound appreciation for packet soup.
Yes, Jimmy's gonna have another glass of grape soup.
Grape
that
soup?
is brilliant. I'm going to use that so many times.
Grape soup. We might have a lot of grape soup tomorrow.
We might too. Sorry, I got camera shake because my gimbal broke, and now I'm
you're
laughing.
laughing.
Rebecca's going to have a cider. We're going to have a grape soup and
have
apple
a great
soup.
weekend.
Apple soup.
Apple soup.
Cider would be apple soup. Oh, this is so good. Yay, short week. Well done, Rebecca. Thanks, everybody. Thanks for watching.
Everyone.
Have
Thanks
a lovely weekend.
watching.
We'll see you
Soup.
in the group. Bye. We'll zoom in on this little soupy thing here. Look at that. Yum. See ya.
Soup.
Can't press the button. Oh, come on. Okay, so that was horrible because I couldn't get... We haven't finished. We're still going because my little finger couldn't get on the button. Okay,
Fat fingers.
now we're going to try and say happy weekend, Margaret. See you later. Bye. We'll try that again.